Guys, I'm not ready. I don't feel ready. Am I recording? Okay, I'm recording. Okay, Silvi, get it together. TMI or whatever, but I've been feeling so out of it lately. Like, I don't have the mentality to record and be on camera for some reason. I've just been feeling so weird lately. So if I seem off in this video, disclaimer, I feel off. Alright guys, this is Nona. This is Nona Honk. And it's a car or a truck or a bus. Nona. I'm very excited. Let's just go right into it. We're here for Nona. Let's go. What? The beat?
Look at me. Look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up. Toasted. Buckle up out of
Christy?
here. You'll be in the backseat. Hit the gas. We turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi. Never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Oh, that beat.
Get on the Honk.
What the fuck?
Get on the Honk.
What are they saying? Get the out. What? What are they saying, girls? I don't understand.
Get on the Honk.
Whatever.
Go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist on my heart in your face and I always got my way. But without grace and I make a speak a break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A. On the license plate. Gaga, I bet. Jump to like me.
What is
Want
this?
it, baby.
Ooh,
I
vocals.
got it on my own. I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
Wow. Wow. What is this beat? What does it mean?
Get on the Honk.
What's it saying? Ancon? Aircon?
Get on the Honk.
It's so...
Get on the Honk.
I missed that. Sorry, go back. Sorry, what was she doing? Beep, beep.
Get on the Honk.
Of course she does that. Oh, I like this part. Oh. This is dance. Wow, but it looks so good. That all looks so good. Wow. Are we? What are they saying? The Lemonade made this Nona lyrics. Let's check it out. Let's check it out.
Look at me, look at her.
Okay.
Pics in the rearview mirror.
Yes.
Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
This part is just... The fucking horn is so weird.
Get on the Honk.
Oh god. I need to look that up. I need to... What is Angkot in Indonesia? Public transportation by car. Oh. So it's like... Oh. Okay. I'm sorry, this song is so goofy in a way, but I'm fucking here for it. It is so fun.
Get on the Honk.
Oh my god, that is... I like that. I do like that. I love this.
Hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never
Wow.
pass me. Ready, set, go.
It's so like I don't
Get on the Honk.
stop.
Get on the Honk.
Wait, this is the beep beep. The beep beep makes it so goofy because if it wasn't the beep beep, it's a fucking harder song. And it still is. But the beep beep is so low-key iconic, but still kind of goofy. Like, it's like both for me, okay? That's just my opinion. It's still a good song. Just because it's a bit goofy doesn't mean that it's bad. I'm so here for it. And that's the vibe they're going for since like Rollerblade and what is it called? There's Rollerblade, there's Honk, Rollerblade, Work, of course, fucking Work. Work is like it's so iconic. but they're all so good. And the one, oh my god, this one as well. But I love the vibe they're going for with these tracks. They're like so fun and just so energetic and just cunty in a way. I'm so here for it. Like, yes, girls, pop out. It's so fun. Wow.
N-O-N-A.
Stop. Girl. Fucking wait, I love them, guys. I know you do know that probably, right? But fuck, they really ate that up. That purple eyeshadow on Violet looks crazy good. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Anyways, I need to stop because it's a really short song. It's 2 minutes long and I've been here for 9 minutes now. It's probably gonna be a shorter video because I'm gonna cut out some fucking yapping I did at the beginning, but whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I truly appreciate you guys for being here. You guys are amazing. Take care of yourself, okay? Please take care of yourself. That's really important to me and should be to yourself as well. So take care and I'll see you guys next video. Bye. Bye.